Can you really make money with Amazon? Is the Amazon work at home program legit? I'm gonna go over how there are some legitimate ways to make money with Amazon in this video, but how most of them are scams. Is the Amazon work from home money program a scam? Are you gonna get ripped off? Now, my guess is you've been to some of these websites, like the ones my editors are showing up here, and I don't know, they're somewhere around me, but there are a lot of sites out there that make otherworldly promises of being able to work from home for the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, and make a ton of money. Now, the fact of the matter is that there actually are quite a number of ways to make money working at home for Amazon. And I'm gonna go over those on my computer in just a little bit here. But what you also must understand is, just like most of the sites I flashed, if they are charging you money, if they're saying you have to first pay money to work from home, then it's a scam, okay? Charging you money for a job is very different from charging money for education. Just to give you an idea, I'm an online educator. My business is teaching. And I teach people about a different area of business, affiliate marketing. I'm not gonna talk about that. But what I talk about is, or what Amazon. Now, if you see somewhere on the internet that it costs you money to work from home for Amazon, that is a scam. It doesn't cost, Amazon is not gonna charge you to work with them, okay? But that being said, there are many people out there like myself who are teachers, and there's a lot of educational programs that teach people how to start their businesses with Amazon. I don't teach Amazon, I teach a segment called affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about that, you can find a link in the description. But I'm going to show you in this video how you can work from home with Amazon. There's actually 3 distinct different ways. So the first way to make money working at home with Amazon is taking surveys. It's really basic. You can't make too much money per hour. You can only make about $5 to $10 per hour max. Now, the first way to make money working at home with Amazon is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon will pay you to do basic tasks with them. They're called HITs, or Human Intelligence Tasks. Now, if you search Amazon Mechanical Turk or go to mturk.com, you'll find it. But as you see on the site, you can get paid, not a lot of money to be honest. The most you can make is like 10 bucks an hour. But you can be paid to do stuff like classify kitchen appliances, or you can be paid to collect data from a website, or you can be paid to, do a market research survey. Just a whole host of little things. You'll get paid, anywhere from, look at these jobs, they're like 1 cent to 10 cents to, 5 cents, 50, here's a job for 50 cents. You don't get paid a lot of money for each little task, but it is real money, and it is a real way of working at home with Amazon. The second way you can earn money working at home with Amazon is called Amazon Associates, and it's their affiliate program. So I said I teach affiliate marketing, but I don't teach it with Amazon. But you can make a lot of money with Amazon too. Amazon will pay you up to 10% commissions for any product. If you recommend a product and somebody buys it, they'll pay you, 5 to 10% commissions. Generally speaking, the commission is about 5%. And I'll just do a quick example to show you how easy it is to sell to find and market a product on Amazon. So let's say, for instance, I was on Amazon and I found a book I liked. Let's use, William Hertling. William Hertling is kind of like an underground self-published science fiction author. Really big fan of this guy. Really big fan of sci-fi in general. Sorry, I'm a little sick. And this book I recently read, and it's amazing. And it's kind of like 50 Shades of Grey meets science fiction. I mean, I'd never read a book that has all these weird kind of very taboo sexual kind of like BDSM subject matter in it. But it's really, I always thought it was just like freaks that did it or something. But it was really interesting kind of hearing the justifications, that and the reasoning behind people in the BDSM community. That's a whole different subject. But let's say I wanted to promote this book, right? I'd go here. When you sign up for Amazon Associates, you get this thing called SiteStripe up here in the top right, okay? And what I would do is I'd click Get Link, okay? And I click Get Link right there, if you see on my screen. And what pops up is my own unique link. And I could look at the full link here. What this is this is what's called an affiliate link. And there's a little tracking indicator in there that this link has only been given to me. So if anybody clicks this link and ends up buying something on Amazon, I will get a commission for that. Now, if a lot of people do that on a daily basis, I can make a lot of money. So I'm going to take this link and I'll click copy. And I could go to Facebook, for instance. And what I would simply do is I could write a post. I could put up the affiliate link. And if anybody goes, here, see, there's my affiliate link. And if anybody visits my affiliate link and ends up purchasing that book or something else in the same session, I get the credit and I make the money. Now, once again, you saw this is this book isn't, this book is only, the Kindle is only $2. So if I got 5%, I would only make 10 cents. So once again, I'm not making a lot of money if I recommend this particular book. But, 5% can add up if you are recommending people buy like a certain type of generator, right? Generators cost like $1,000. So if you're, or camera equipment. So if I'm recommending camera equipment, as a lot of YouTube vloggers do, somebody's going to spend $1,000 in a session. And as an affiliate for Amazon, you'd get paid $50, so that's a good amount of money. Now, the third way of making money with Amazon is actually selling products on Amazon. Okay, so actually taking a product, like my tea mug right here, and listing it on Amazon. Let's say I buy this tea mug for $5. I list it on Amazon, and then I sell it for $10. There's a lot of people doing that, and that's probably the biggest way to make money with Amazon. And you can make millions and even tens of millions of dollars per year selling products on Amazon. It's very lucrative, and there are a lot of successful people I've met that sell products on Amazon. This is what you want to do if you want to sell products on Amazon. But again, the only person you should be paying is they do charge a $39 a month listing fee. Okay, so that is something they charge. And generally speaking, Amazon will take about 10 to 20% of anything you sell. So if I sell this mug for $10, Amazon's making $2. Okay, and then, let's say I bought it for $5, Amazon takes $2, I'm making maybe $3 each mug I sell. So this is part of the reason why Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world. Amazon always gets their cut. So that would be the place that you'd want to make money with Amazon. Now, there are lots of, to sell on Amazon is a complex process to make sure your products are showing up higher than other people's products. That's called, a lot of people will talk about working the algorithm, and the algorithm is having your products show up the highest. And the other thing about Amazon is product selection, how to select products that will be the most profitable and sell the most. So those are really kind of the two big things, is like how to work the algorithm and how to select the best products in order to really sell on Amazon. I don't really know that stuff, but there are places online I'm sure you could find how to, more information on that. If you're looking for more information on what I do and how I've made this big stack of money right here, you can go to the link in the description. I have a free training showing you exactly how to do that. Now, if you found any part of this video helpful, let me know. Type it in the comments and let me know if the surveys, or maybe it was the affiliate program, or maybe it was just about selling on Amazon were helpful to you. Type that in and make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like more tips on how to earn money online as an internet entrepreneur.